Hi friends, how is you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy. Enjoy life. Always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see unique, modern girls nail art with finger ring designs. Latest and stylish you will see in this videos modern girls nail art, nail cutting and unique nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So today before you will see in this videos nail art ideas, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see very attractive and very stylish different girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy your very attractive beautiful girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy your beautiful modern girls nail polish designs, very stylish attractive girls nail art with finger ring ideas. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos and like this one stylish unique nail art ideas, take a screenshot and save to your mobile. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Most beautiful and stylish you will see in this videos modern girls nail cutting ideas in 2023. Today you will see in this videos modern and stylish unique girls nail art ideas. So if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos and to like this one stylish nail art ideas. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy your unique girls nail cutting designs. So dear viewers, I always try to bring very stylish and modern girls nail polish designs. So dear viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz, you will see very stylish